Hi guys, welcome to Electra Mining 2024 Day 2. Let's go see what the exhibitors have to say.
So from a business perspective, Electra Mining has helped Teltonica also get new customers from the mining industry, from a connectivity perspective, as well as from a security perspective. We've been around for 25 years as a connectivity company and a networking company. So we mainly focus on IoT. And from the mining perspective, they are moving and innovating the technology towards the future. So basically, we want to help them do that. And with our products, we can allow to do that. And with the customers that are here today, that's the new customers that we can bring into our business and we can bring into our portfolio as well.
Closing the loop is our sort of slogan for this year. And what that means for us, apart from closing the loop in supplying our product and then servicing it afterwards, that closing the loop actually then links to us interacting with our customers and the end users, getting the feedback they've got to us and then actually acting on it and improving on that and consistently innovating to really service the market that we are serving in SA and in Africa.
So wherever there's an opportunity like WIMSA, to partnership with them and create an audience and a platform to have conversations, important conversations for us to speak about the critical needs and growing needs of women in industry. So opportunities like this at Electra, we're always open and game for opportunities like this.
And that's a wrap on Day 2. Stay tuned to watch our coverage of Day 3 where we see what the visitors have to say.